you heard the word digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Basically, it's also called online marketing, right? So the name itself, digital marketing covers the definition of digital marketing, right? So see here, I have mentioned the definition as well. So it's a process of promoting a products or services online using the internet, right? And that is visible on desktop, computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms. So digital marketing, it's a way of promoting your product and services through the internet on a different devices. I mean, digital devices like computers, desktops, mobile phones, and other digital media platforms. So that is called digital marketing. I hope you guys understood the definitions. You got the point of I mean, what exactly the digital marketing is, right? Now I'm moving forward. The difference between digital marketing and the traditional marketing. So nowadays, most of the people wants to do the promotion of their products and services digital only, right? And they are now. I mean, companies and businesses are I mean, coming digitally and selling their products and services through these, Facebooks and Instagrams and the email marketing campaigns as well, right? So, uh, let me talk about traditional marketing first. So, uh, you know that traditional marketing is a way to promote the product and services through the TV, through the radio channels, through the magazines and the newspapers, flyers, telephones, SMS marketing, and referrals. So, so in a traditional marketing, uh, businesses have to invest more. I mean, they need to pay more to the person who is basically giving the traditional marketing services. Okay, so if you are running a business and if you want to follow the traditional marketing, then what you have to do, you have to pay more. You have if you contact the TV or radio channels, I mean, if you want to promote your business on a TV or a radio channels or any magazines or newspapers, then you have to contact them and they will give you the cost of, I mean, marketing, right? I mean, price of marketing, how much they will charge, right? So the cost of traditional marketing is higher than the digital marketing, right? And these are the form of the traditional marketing, like TV, radio, magazines, newspapers, flyers, telephone, SMS marketing, referrals. These are the forms of traditional marketing, right? And in digital marketing, there are various forms as well, like the traditional marketing. Like, see, here I have mentioned SEO. SEO is a search engine optimizations. Then social media. You guys are aware about the social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the Snapchat and the LinkedIn, uh, TikTok. These are the digital marketing forms. Email marketing as well, and PPC. PPC is a pay-per-click advertising model where you guys have to pay to Google to promote your services and product on Google, right? And there are other forms as well. So I will go through all these forms in the next slides. Now, we talk about the benefits of digital marketing, right? So, what are the benefits? I mean, if we why businesses following the digital marketing? Why they do not follow the traditional marketing, right? So, what are the benefits? See, so the first benefit is targeting the right audience. So, in traditional marketing, when you are running the campaigns through the traditional marketing, then you guys can't able to figure out the right audience. Let's say, for example, you have seen an ad or ad of any company in the hoardings, yeah, you generally find the hoardings of different companies, right? They are advertising about their product or services, right? But through the hoardings advertising, you can't. I mean, that company can't figure out, how many people visited, I mean, how many people viewed their ad, you know, how many people contacted them through the that hoardings advertising, right? How much I mean, how much return on investment they have got through that hoardings advertisement, right? Or through, if they that company advertised I mean, in a magazine or in a newspaper, or through a TVs or any radio channels, right? And and through that marketing, they never identify that how many people contacted them, what is the revenue, I mean, how much revenue they have generated, right? So that is the problem. And also the main problem is they they never figure out the audience segments, like the age of the audience, right? Is and the other thing is, from which country or city the audience, the customer inquired for. Okay, so it's very difficult to manage this kind of things in traditional marketing, right? But in digital marketing, it's very easy to target the right audience, because in digital marketing, there is a way you can figure out the thing, there is a way you can select the things. Okay, so let's say, for example, if you want to promote your business or product on a social media, on a Facebook, then in Facebook you will get the options of targeting the customer, I mean, targeting the age age group. Okay, let's say, for example, if you want to target the age group in between 20 to 50, then you can do that. Okay, if you want to target the any specific area, okay, let's say, for example, if you want to target only the Ahmedabad locations, okay, Ahmedabad location, then you can do that. Okay, and if you want to set the budget, if you want let's say, for example, if you want to spend only 50 rupees or 100 rupees per day, right? Then you can set that budget as well, right? And if you also want to target the person who are only I mean, who are only interested in specific things, uh, uh, let's say, for example, if you are running a restaurant, right? And you want to target the uh, I mean, persons on the audience who are interested in the eating, I mean, eating, or cooking, right? So you will find those kind of audience in the digital, I mean, through the digital marketing. I mean, in social media you will find the audience segments, like who are interested in cooking, so you can target those group of people through the Facebook advertising, right? So this is the way you can target the right audience, you can set the budget, and you can also find, I mean, if you are spending 50 rupees, then you will get the data of how many people inquired about your service, how many people, I mean, you can also figure out the age of the audience, you can identify from which location that person inquired for, right? And you can, at the end, you will also get to know that if you are spending 50 rupees, then how much, and then how much you are getting, right? I mean, let's say, for example, if you are spending 50 rupees, then at the end you are getting a sales of 500 rupees, right? So that is what you will get at the end of the day through the digital marketing. You will get the all the reports in the platform. Okay, so this is the best way, I mean, this is the power of digital marketing, right? So it's a cost effective. How it is cost effective? So if you go for a TV channel, I mean, TV advertising, or a radio advertising model, or if you are giving ad in a newspaper, then it's very very costly. Like, if you want to promote your product or services in TV, then it will take 50,000 rupees or 24,000 rupees cost, right? But where in digital marketing, in Facebook, you will start your advertising within 50 rupees, right, per day. So it's very cost effective, and you will also get the idea. I mean, you will also get the, I mean, how many people are, likes and comments and inquire about your product. But where in TV channels, it's very effective. You will never get the statistics of your audience, right? Okay, so that's why it's very cost effective. The measure, I mean, it's very easy to measure the performance. As I mentioned, you can get the details of your audience. I mean, biography of your audience, right? Okay. The engagement rate is very high in digital marketing. So what is engagement rate? So engagement rate is like, when you run any campaign on in digital marketing, let's say for example, you are running a, then you will start to get the messages on a social media. Okay. People will react your ads, people will react your, your product and services. Okay, people will like your page, okay, comment on your page, share your page, right? So this kind, I mean, after taking the services or after buying a product, they will also come on, I mean, visit your business and share a feedback about your service, about your product, right? So this is something that you will get immediately after running the ads on a Facebook or any other platform, right? So that's why I mean, we have mentioned the engagement rate is very high. You can directly connect with your customers easily, right? Right? So this is something about engagement rate. And what is conversion? I mean, conversion rate is also high. So what is conversion rate? So conversion rate is like, people, start inquiring about your product or services immediately. Okay, you will get to know that after running ads, how many inquiries you received, how many phone calls you received. Okay, so phone calls will start ringing. Okay, once you start running the ad, inquiries will start coming once you start, running ads on a Facebook or Instagram or a LinkedIn, okay, or Google. Okay, so that's why we call, I mean, that's why we mention here conversion rate is very high. Okay, because through the digital marketing, if someone inquire about your product, then you will get the name of that person, you will get the email address of that person, you will get the phone number of that person. Okay, and you will also get the message, I mean, what exactly he or she is looking for, right? So you will get all the details of your customers, and then you can also contact them immediately, right? So that's where the conversion rate is very high. You can convince them about your services, right? Once you get the name and email address and the phone number of the person, right? So this is very effective way to promote your product and services. Higher returns on investment. So if you are running I mean, if you're running an advertisement on through the digital marketing, right? Then the chances of higher returns on investment is very much high, because here if you are if you are investing 100 rupees, then I mean, at the end of the day you will definitely get the 200 rupees, okay, or more than that, right? Because you know what to do, you know where your audience is available, right? And you also know what your competitors are doing, right? So returns are always high in the digital marketing. So that's why people are following the digital marketing, businesses are following the digital marketing, right? And the, I mean, next benefit is easy to expand the reach. So uh, if you are promoting your business locally, and in the future if you are thinking to expand your business, then it's possible through the digital marketing, right? So how it's possible? See. in digital marketing, there are multiple ways you can expand your business. Okay, so uh, let's say for example, if you are if you are running a local business like a restaurant, right? And in that, restaurant is basically, you will in restaurant business, you can normally reach to the audience around 10 kilometers, right? But uh, but if you want to promote your restaurant on a city based area, right? So let's say for example, right now you are just focusing on one locations, but in future you want to promote your business across the
You can easily do it in your same campaign. You just have to add the 10 more locations in your campaigns. So Facebook will start to show your restaurant ads in those 10 locations. So that 10 locations, I mean, that audience will start to see your ads. Okay. So
also, so there is an opportunity to get more phone calls and more inquiries from those locations as well. Okay, so easy to expand the reach, right? The next is you can run your business 24 by 7. How? So in traditional marketing, if you have a shop in your area, then you can start your shop 10 a.m. in the morning, and then 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. in the evening you close the shop, right? But in digital marketing, you can keep your shop open 24 by 7. What you have to do for that? You have to list your business online, right? You can mention the hours there, okay? Like 24 by 7, you can serve your customers, okay? If you have created a business, website, then that website will, when someone is searching on a Google, and they will find your website, okay? And through that website, the customer will also send you the inquiry, okay? I mean, through the website you will get the inquiries. So you can run your business 24 by 7 through the digital marketing, right? But for that you require the website, or you also have to create your presence on a Facebook and other social media channels. Okay, so this way you can sell or promote your business continuously. There is no, I mean, customers can contact you anytime, right? Okay, and you can also contact them in between your business servers. Once you get the details of your customers, then after you can contact them, right? So it's very effective way to to promote your business, right? And the next benefit is improve your service with instant feedback. So how you will improve your service? So in traditional marketing, no one will contact you, right? No one will tell you how you can improve your service, right? So, as I mentioned, the one example, if someone is running their ad through the hoardings, right? So we people never contact the person, never contact the company who is running the hoardings ad, right? Okay, we never contact them to improve their service or their product quality, right? But in digital marketing, you can say, customers can share their feedback. How they share their feedback? Uh, like nowadays, we are buying the products through Amazon or Flipkart, right? And once we get the product and we find any difficulty or any fault or any problem with the services, then we share the feedback with them, right? There is a problem in your product, or your service is bad. The particular vendor service is bad. Okay, so this kind of feedback we are sharing with Flipkart or Amazon, right? So so Flipkart or Amazon get to know that, okay, here they have to improve their product or services, right? And this way based on the feedback, they try to improve their services and support system, right? and that's why they are, they are leader in the market. Okay, so you guys, you guys just think about that, instantly you are getting the feedback through the digital marketing, instantly from your customers. Okay, so this way you will improve your service, and you will, you will serve your customers better way. Okay, so this is one of the, uh, I mean, most important feedback, I mean, most important benefit of digital marketing, right? The next benefit is multiple ways to promote your business online. So there are multiple ways you can promote your business. Like, you can promote your business on Google. Okay, you can promote your business on Facebook. You can promote your business on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, email marketing, and content marketing, and other, I mean, other, other channels available as well. I mean, you can create a video of your product or services, and you can promote that as well, right? So there are a lot of ways, and through that you can do your promotion, right? So this is also one more benefit of digital marketing. Uh, the most important benefit is like, you can create a brand reputation and credibility. Why this is important? Because in online marketing there are many businesses, uh, serving, I mean, giving their, I mean, selling their products and services, right? But it's very competitive. I mean, it's very competitive market, right? I mean, in traditional, I mean, marketing, there is a competitions available, right? I mean, let's say for example, if I am I'm going to open one restaurant in one area where there are 20 restaurants already exist. Okay, and I'm a 21, I mean 21st, I mean, person who is going to run a, I mean, open a restaurant. Okay, so it's very difficult for me to beat them. Okay, in the real market, in, in real market, right? So to beat them, what I have to do, I have to come up with offers, I have to come up with, some best service, so then after I can able to beat them, I have to do the competition analysis, right? What they are doing, what 20 restaurants are doing, right? What is the quality of their food? What I mean, customers, what customers likes most about their, service, their menu. Okay, so I have to do that thing, right? So the same way, if I want to, I mean, I mean, if I want to create a brand reputation and credibility online, then how do I do? So what we have to do? We have to educate our audience. We have to create a brand awareness, right? We have to serve our customers better way, right? We have to get the feedback from our audience. Okay, we have to ask them, share the feedback. Okay, you can ask them to share the feedback on a Facebook page or on a Instagram page. Okay, you can get the feedback. You can learn from your customers, and then, do better as much as possible, right? So once you create the brand reputations and credibility, how will you will increase the credibility? So you can run multiple campaigns. Like, let's say for example, if customers refer you to another customers, then you will give them a, I mean, one gift or one any product to them. Okay, so they will start to talk about, start talk about your, your brand, right, in the market, right? So there are many ways you can, create a, I mean, build the credibility, okay, in the market, right? So that's why it's very important. I mean, this is one of the benefit of digital marketing. You can create the brand reputations as well, right? You can share share your customers testimonials online as well, right? So this is also one more example. Now coming to the types of digital marketing. So there are, I mean, 8 types of digital marketing: search engine optimization, social media marketing. I mean, first is search engine optimization. Second is social media marketing. Third is PPC, pay per click advertising. Fourth is content marketing. Sec- I mean, fifth is influencer marketing. Sixth is email marketing. Seventh is affiliate marketing. Eighth, eighth is mobile app marketing. So these are the types of digital marketing. You can you so in digital marketing, I mean, through this, I mean, you can expert in any field. Like if you want to be a search engine optimization expert, then you can do that. Okay, you can get the good job, good career opportunity in SEO as well. If you want to be a social media marketing expert, then you can choose this as well. You can be a social media marketing expert as well. Okay, and if you want to be a PPC expert, then you can also be a PPC expert as well. Okay, you will get the good opportunity. The same way others, other field as well. I mean, other thing. I mean, these are the forms of digital marketing, and you can in depth you can learn these things, and you can be a influencer marketer, email marketer, affiliate marketer, mobile app marketer, right? So now, what is the future scope of digital marketing in India? So the launch of Digital India, by the Ministry of Electronics and IT, the usage of digital platforms in India has been increasing day by day, right? So according to the analyst, this scheme can boost the gross domestic product, the GDP rate to up to $1 trillion by 2025. So it can also help in many other factors such as employment generation, labor productivity, growth in the business sector, and the revenue generation for the government. Okay. And according to a Goldman Sachs report, the future scope of digital marketing in the Indian internet industry alone is going to be worth $160 billion by 2025, which is thrice of its current value. So you can see, the growth of the scope of digital marketing. The future of digital marketing is very bright, right? Uh, so in digital marketing, your career is very bright, and if you want to build your brand, I mean your business, I mean your brand, and if you want to promote yourself, if you want to be an influencer marketer, or if you want to be a identity, I mean the role model, or what we can say, uh, like uh, uh, industry expert, then you can do that, right? So there are there is a there is a huge scope in digital marketing, right? So who need digital marketing? Each and every business needs digital marketing, right? So today, each and every business requires the digital marketing. They want to sell their product, their services in the digital marketing. They want to grow immediately, right? So, and nowadays, each and every person using the mobile phones, the desktops, the digital devices. So that's why digital marketing is very important. Okay. And if I talk about the local business, so if you are running a local business, okay, then you won't believe 97% of customers uses search engine to find local information. Okay. So, uh, so if you want to promote your local business on a Google or on a any other social media channels, okay, social media users growth in India. Okay, so if I talk about social media users growth in India, so in India, the number of social media users have been growing in 2022 at a steady rate of 467 million due to deep penetration of internet connectivity among people. So guys, when Geo came in the market, then Geo started. So from now, from now, the people are using internet. Highly. Each and every person using the internet on their mobile, right? And they also started to use the applications like phone pay, gpay. Okay, they get to know that how to do payment online, right? So the normal person who never used the internet, they started to use the internet and they started to order the products, right, online. They are using, Amazon and Flipkart as well on their phone. Okay, and they are also aware that how to use the applications. So this is something that that shows in the coming days how, without internet or without digital marketing, your business will never, will never get the heights what you are looking for. Okay, so if you have set up a certain goals, and if you want to be a success in your business, then you definitely have to consider digital marketing is the main channel of marketing, right? Okay, so all right, thank you guys.